So today I have got the L'Oreal advent calendar. I'm so excited to share this with you. So I'm excited to unbox this. I love the L'Oreal advent calendar. I unboxed it quite a few years ago and it was one of my favourite advent calendars. I just loved it. This one I actually bought on Amazon. I paid £79 for this one. This is the 24-day one. But at the minute, as I'm filming, so this price could change, they have got the 24-day and the 12 days at these prices here. I'm going to put them on the screen because I can't think of them off my top of my head. Yeah, but I'm going to unbox this in anyways, and we're going to see whether this is worth £79. Assuming this is a 24-day advent calendar, and we're going to get into it anyway. So this is what it looks like when you open it. It's so exciting. Right, I can hear lots of stuff rattling. It's just nice little doors like this. Right, so we have got day number 1, which is here. This works out at about £3.29 a day. So day number 1, if I could actually get to it. Day number 1. Day number 1, we have got the oil eyeshadow, and this is in 20 Queen, and it is in a single shadow. It is a satin shade. It looks very pretty. That was our day number 1. Day number 2, which is a skinny one up here. We have got a lip liner, and it is in the shade, the colour Riche Lip Crayon. I can't, it says it's in Beige Noir. It's 630. A nice nudie shade. It's a really nice product to get. Full size as well. We want day number 3, which is here. Oh, this one's a heavy one. We have got the L'Oreal Dream Length shampoo. My favourite shampoo. I love this shampoo. So happy with that. I hope we get the conditioner, but I think we will. So that's day number 3. We want day number 4, which is here. We have got, I own this product. It is beautiful. This is, let's see if I can find it. It is the Glow Paradise. It's like a sheery, like lip balmy type product. Oh, it's just stunning. I actually own this. It's beautiful. What a lovely product to get. That was day number 4. We want day number 5, which is up here. We have got the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I've never actually used this one. I'm quite excited about that. It is in black as well. Yeah. Oh, something different, something new. That's a good one. I'm happy with that. We want day number 6. I'm guessing a lip liner because it's like the size. No, it doesn't look like it is. We have got the Colour Intense, and then it's got the Boost and Balm Infallible 24-hour lipstick. I actually really like these type of lipsticks. Yeah, I'm not sure whether the colour will be my sort of colour though. We want day number 7, which is here. Wait, have we got? We have got a concealer. It is the L'Oreal Perfect Match Concealer. I feel like it would work for me, but I definitely don't think you should be getting concealers in an advent calendar. Yeah, I mean, I know you could use it as an eye primer, like if you're very dark, like darker skin tone, but I just don't think you should get that in an advent calendar. That was day number 7. We want day number 8, which is here. Very light, this one. We have got the L'Oreal Kohl Natural by Paradise Midnight Black Kohl Liner. Giving me very much Lancome doll vibes, this packaging. Yeah, so that's kind of giving me like L'Oreal, it's kind of giving me Lancome doll. I don't know, vibes, I don't know. Do you know what I'm on about? Do I know what I'm on about? I honestly don't know, but yeah, it's giving me a certain vibe. That's day number 8. Number 9, which is here. we are getting the L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal Waterproof. I've not seen this before. So I'm assuming it's the Lash Paradise, but it's like a waterproof one. Oh no. Oh, unless that's what that wand is. Alright. That's good. I like getting a waterproof mascara, so that is good. That was day number 9. We want day number 10. Where are you? Here, little square ones. This is a little different shape of a door. It's wrapped in tissue. We have got the L'Oreal Bronze to Paradise bronzer. I have heard so many nice things about the L'Oreal bronzers. Full size product as well. We want day number 11, which is here. We have got our conditioner to go with our shampoo. Very happy. These are the 90ml size, so nice little travel size. And these are, it's the Dream Lamps as well, so it's the matching one to go with the shampoo. That was 11. We want day number 12, which is here. We have got the L'Oreal 4 Brow Tint Pen, double brush tip to double your brow hairs. Let's have a look at this. And this is maybe in a bit of dark blonde. Yeah, this actually would not work for me, so I'm not going to open it because it wouldn't work for me. I'm like dark brown, like nearly almost black. So yeah, that wouldn't work for me. But if it would work for you. So that is day number 12. We want day number 13, which is up here. We have got an infallible gel eyeliner, and I think it's in Bronze Express. Oh, this looks beautiful. I don't wear eyeliner a lot, but I love the look of this. Let's have a look at this. Oh my god. Look at that. Could you smudge that out? Oh, I love that. I'm so excited about that. I like that we're getting a different colour. Something different. I like that. It's very nice. Yes, that's day number 13. On to day number 14, which is here. Work out which way it went. We have got the Plump Ambition Hydration Lip Oil. And it is in 380 Rouge in Love. I love a lip oil. Let's have a look at this. This looks lovely. Love a lip oil. Let's have a go. Only thing is, I'm not the biggest fan of the smell of L'Oreal lip products. Like, they normally knock me sick. This one's not too bad. That's really nice. Really nice. That is day number 14. We went to day number 15, which is up here. We have got a sheet mask. We have got the L'Oreal Vitamin C sheet mask. That's nice, something different. We've had quite a lot of makeup-y items, so it's nice that we're getting a little bit of skincare. I have tried this Vitamin C range and it's really quite nice. So yeah, I like that. That was day number 15. We want day number 16. Yeah. Oh, it's a heavy one. Oh, we have got the Dream Lens 230 degrees defeat the heat spray, leave in 70-hour anti-frizz spray. I think it's a bit of a multi-use all-in-one product. I love Dream Lamps range. I love the Dream Lamps. So I'm so excited about having that. I'm so excited about trying it. That was 16. We want day number 17, which is just here. It's a little square. What do we think we're getting? We are getting a little eye patches, and I think it's the hyaluronic acid range, which I love this range. Literally use this range all the time. So happy with that. Yep. So we've got that. That was 17. We want day number 18, which is here. We have got the liquid blush. This is a cream blush. How pretty is that? That is so stunning. I've not seen this product. Have any of you seen that product? That is exciting. So that's day number 18. With day number 19, which is here. We have got the 24 hours or up to 24 hours brow lamination product. Oh, let's have a look at this. So is it just like a brow wand? Yeah, it's just like a brow wand. That's exciting. I do love a good brow gel. So yeah, that was day number 19. We're day number 20, which is down here. It's heavy. Oh, we have got something I love. I've literally used this product all the time. We've got the L'Oreal Glow Lumi Lotion, Glow Lotion. This one is in the light glow shade. I use this so much. I love this product. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. It's such a nice product. Yeah, I'm so chuffed with that product. 20, we want day number 21, which is here. And we are getting the hyaluronic acid. I love this product. I've got this product myself. I've bought this product out of my own money multiple times. It's such a nice product. I love the eye one as well, the eye one. So very happy to get that. Really nice product. That was day number 21. We want day number 22, which is here. We have getting a lipstick in the, it's a volume matte and it's in the shade 601. I'm not going to open this. I'm not going to swatch anything like that because L'Oreal lipsticks knock me sick, the smell. They're very, very fake, cupcakey type smell. Not for me. So that's 22. We want day number 23, which is here. We're getting another single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Don't Stop Me, and it's another satin eyeshadow, and this is what it looks like here. Very pretty shade. That was 23. On our last day, 24. We have got the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes All Night Black and in Panorama. Have you seen this? I've never seen this. I'm having to have a look at this wand. Oh, this is what the wand looks like. I'm so excited about that. I've never seen this. I'm excited about it. I'm dead excited. I've got far too many mascaras to try. But yeah, we've got that. And that is day number 24. And that is our last day. What do you guys think of this advent calendar? I do think it's a little bit up there in the price. Like, it's a bit pricier than most, you know. But every day is actually like a full-size product. So you've got to give it that. L'Oreal products retail from like 8 to 13. Some skincare ones are more a day. So I definitely think we're getting our money's worth per day. But I definitely think we shouldn't have got a concealer in there. Maybe the brow product should have been maybe more universal, like a medium brown. But overall, I'm happy with it. Let me know what you guys think of this advent calendar. I will have the 12 days and the 24-day one linked down below in anyways. I hope you enjoyed this advent calendar unboxing. If you like these type videos, I would love to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Goodbye.